and for the exit of the ureter. So this part is hilum. Cortex is this outer part. Outer pink part is cortex. Medulla is this central part is medulla.
So even though these are pyramids, it's also part of the medulla.
Exactly.
Okay.
Pyramids, they are located in the
In the
medulla.
And then one more question. If you point to here and we say renal artery, would you do it more on the outside? But this is like hilum.
Okay,
This
I
area?
will do that. I will
Oh,
do
okay.
more here. Then the renal columns, you are seeing this light pink part, which is the cortical part, extending between the renal pyramids. That is the renal column. The part of the cortex which extends between the renal pyramids. Renal pyramid is this one, triangle shape. Nephron. You are seeing, like this is a nephron. This is another nephron. And these are like they are showing only the part of the nephron, so many. And this is the nephron they are showing.
This is just the enlarged.
So we're going to need to differentiate between the juxtamedullary nephrons and the...
Actually, it is not in your term list, but I will show you. This is the
Okay.
cortical and this is the juxtamedullary. Why? Because cortical has a small loop of Henle and most of the part is located in the cortex. That's why cortical. This one has a long loop of Henle, mostly
Deep
located
in
in the medulla, so juxtamedullary. Nephron, renal papilla. This tip is the renal papilla.
Which,
This one, like the tip, this tip is the renal papilla. Tip of the renal pyramid is
where the pyramid almost sits.
this one. This one
Okay.
is the renal papilla. Calyces, there are two kinds, minor calyces and major calyces. So at the tip of each, we have minor calyces. They join together and open into the major calyces. Since your term list don't say minor and major, so you need to write only calyces.
So you're looking at a cross-section of one of those, where your pen is.
This is the longitudinal section.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, I meant
But
of the
this-
callus. This
but-
is a cross-section of a callus, and then
yeah.
this is what it looks like.
So
when
these,
it's-
yeah, so these
Yeah,
are like
that's
tubes?
right.
Are these tubular?
These are tubular.
Okay.
That's right. They are. Then the renal pelvis, this number 4 is renal pelvis. And the renal corpuscle. Now, renal corpuscle, suppose this is the glomerulus, this is the Bowman's capsule. If a tape is covering both of them, it is renal corpuscle. If the tape is here, only glomerulus. If the tape is inside here, it is capsular space. If the tape is here, then it is Bowman's capsule or the glomerular capsule.
Wait, yeah.
Yeah.
Right,
Glomerulus
but when is it
Capsular
the corpuscle?
When it's both of them.
When it's both.
joined together. Renal,
And when it's just outside, it's
Bowman's
Bowman.
capsule plus glomerulus together
renal.
is renal corpuscle.
But would there ever be a Bowman's capsule without a glomerulus? Would you ever see one without the other?
And the slide I have under the
Saying
microscope,
for the test.
Yeah, for the
if she's
test,
got
I
a
know,
thing
that's
on
just
there,
to know
yeah.
it, but I'm saying to really understand it.
no, Bowman's capsule will always have the glomerulus.
Inside.
Yeah, until if they are damaged.
Okay.
And then this is the afferent.
Afferent,
Efferent.
efferent.
And how can you tell the
Efferent.
difference?
Afferent's
like,
bigger.
I see the macula densa here. Like in the lecture, I was saying that the macula densa, like this part of the juxtamedullary nephron, is located close to the afferent. So this is, and another thing, you see here, the plasma is not filtered even, yellowish. Here it is filtered.
So it's filtered and leaving. This is right there.
This is this one, these ones, all these,
Okay.
these.
Just
So that
enlarged.
is that part. The proximal is this one, or we can start here. Like this is the proximal convoluted tubule. This is the loop of Henle. This is the descending limb, and this is the ascending limb. This is the distal convoluted tubule.
And that's based on proximity to the capsule.
Yeah, yeah. It is located distal to Bowman's capsule. This is the collecting duct, like lot of distal convoluted tubule open into the collecting duct. Afferent arteriole, efferent arteriole, peritubular I will show you in another, and vasa recta I will show you in another model. So this model, like we have at least lot of questions from this model, and couple of them we have